Hi my dear art fairies, and welcome to our lesson where you will learn how to create this cap. You already have created these beaded beads. If you didn't, go and check in community tab. There is schema of necessary beads and link to the video where you can check technique on my channel. And today we will create this cap. For it you will need a thread and needle. Needle I have here around 1.5 meters of the threads, and black Toho seed beads size 11. For our first row we will need 21 seed bead. Seed bead, and we connect all seed beads together, leave a tail at around 10 centimeters and connect. Come out next to our tail and make a knot. Pass 2 seed beads forward and pull. Our next step will be we take 1 seed bead. If you are not a member of this channel, please join and let's create together this beautiful pair of earrings. 1 seed bead, 2 seed bead, 1 empty. And we continue same till the end of our row. And our last seed bead on this row, and as usually we will need to connect all 7 seed beads. And pull. As you can see, our cap is almost ready, and I will pass with my needle and thread next to the tail. I will make a knot out of these 2 threads and weave them a bit more, and then cut and finish my cap, and it will be ready, as well as our beaded beads. And we have just a bit left to finish our earrings. So I'm next to the tail and I make a knot, and then I will weave 2 threads in different directions, as I always do. I will make a 1 knot around the thread, just to be able to cut my thread faster, not to weave it all the way this way, and I will pass and cut the thread. Same I will do with tail. So our tiny cap is ready, and it is ready as well for our future earring. As you can see now, our next tutorial will be about, I will tell you how to create these strands and how to finish this earring. We will do it all together in next members only tutorial, but at the moment please create these beaded beads and 2 flower caps, so you are ready for our next tutorial where we will create strands and we will put together all the elements and we'll create it as a ready earring. If you are not a member of this channel, please join and let's create together this beautiful pair of earrings.